y'all, what's up? Welcome back to the channel. I have not said that in so long. Welcome to the channel. If you are new, hey girl, hey, I'm Sharron. Thank you so much for clicking on today's video. So today, y'all, we are going to be doing this half wig review and install. Isn't she so cute? I'm just in my cute throwback 90s / grandma era, you know what I'm saying, but make it chic. Let's get into it.
Baby, you don't know what you do to me. Between me and you, I feel a chemistry. I won't let no one come and take your place. Cause the love you give, it can't be replaced.
What it do? What it do? What it do? What it do? Hello, girls. It is I, reporting live from the bathroom. This is the wig that we're gonna be reviewing today. How y'all doing, first of all? What's up? How are the girls doing? I'm in the bathroom. I just finished blow drying my hair, which is like, is already, please. But I have the vent on because please, I cannot be stuck in here with all of the smoke. But I'm also getting hot. So if you hear that, my sincerest apologies. Also, to another disclaimer, I am hooked up on caffeine. I needed something to get me through, you understand? We are gonna be reviewing this wig today. I'm really excited. I first saw a similar wig to this on Gladys. Is That Your Hair Now? I believe her name is just Forever Gladys. She had a wig, I cannot remember what the name of it was, but at the time it was just completely sold out. So I got this and never got into it. The day has come and we're gonna get into it today. So this is from Sensationnel. This is Top Lady, that's the style name. And I have it in the color 2, and it's a half wig. You see, like, my hair is out. I'm gonna braid that down in a second. But I am really excited to try this out because it just looks so pretty. Sorry, it's really hot. Normally I will be filming in a completely different location, but I still have to like braid my hair down. And I want to like see what the texture of the wig is giving, so I can see like what kind of curls I'm gonna have to put in my hair to match. But I also wanted to open it on camera with y'all so we could get into it together. Okay, so let me just shake her out just a little, you know. Maybe that was a little too much. I'm gonna braid my hair down and then I'll come back. Okay, so unfortunately my other light died, my good light, and then now I'm stuck with this light, but we move. So this is the finished look. I love this. This is so pretty. It's giving very much so grandma, and I chose the right outfit. Now, when I was planning to do this wig review, I didn't really know for real how it was gonna come out, how it was gonna look, but I wanted to give like a throwback classic moment. I even got on my vintage jeans that I got from the thrift store forever and forever ago. And then like obviously like the boxy blazer with the shoulder pads. Is this not giving a nod to the throwbacks? So I feel like this matches. My hair naturally is like a very dusty brown color. That's first of all. But then also too, like my hair does not have like super high luster and shine. It just does not. So I feel like this matches my hair texture so nicely. This was super easy to install too. Like literally I just threw a couple of curls in my hair and then she was good to go. I love this. The only thing is I wish these took heat, because I would love to kind of like press it out just a little bit, so to give it like a little bit of extra length. That's like my only thing. I wish I could like add heat to these, but you know, like you can't put heat on these. They have to be like hot water set, I believe. But the Curls, Kinks & Co line, like them wigs, they are durable, honey. Okay, I still have Born Stunner from years and years ago. I love to do a half up, half down with that too. And I have the longer half wig that's like similar to this texture, but it's longer, and I think it's called Rainmaker. Okay, y'all, so that's pretty much it. I'm going to go. If you're interested in the wig, I will have it linked in the description box. I may or may not put this in my Beacons page. I'm not 100% sure. I gotta see. I love this wig. I think it is so cute, so grown, so grandma, but I mean that in the best way. Like, it's just grandma chic, if that's a thing. Let me know down in the comments what you think of the wig. Let me know what's tea. Have you tried this? And again, like, this is old, I'm sure. I had this wig. I am just getting around to like recording the video, so I'm pretty sure it's not like a new wig. Like I told y'all, sometimes I really don't be having my ears to the streets. But let me know if you tried this already. Subscribe if you are not subscribed. Give the video a thumbs up if you enjoyed it. Peace and blessings. Bye.